I have an appointment with the University of Southern Mindanao. So I'm not sure if I will be around on Friday talaga, sa totoo lang. So siguro naramdaman na ni Chief na really, for the past 20 years, this is the first time na nag-surprise si Chief. So I did not really expect na may ganito. And then kanina, nagtaka ako, bakit gusto nila putulin yung PSP? Sabi ko, ang usapan is tapusin because I really wanted to determine kung sino na ang ma-hire. Yun na yung last na usapan eh. Putulin na daw next week na. Sabi ko, bakit ganun? Nainis na ako kasi I really want to get things done. Kasi sa totoo lang, gusto ko na malaman kung sino anong desisyon ng PSP. Yung sa rehiring nga. Kasi sabi ko, huwag na patagalin kasi kailangan makakontract na yung mga empleyado. Yan yung sinabi ko kanina. So, may konting ano pa doon. Hindi na, next week na kasi past 6 na, ganito. Sige, okay. Sige, next week na. Basta wala tayo this rest of the week ha, parang gano'n. And then taka ko, lahat ng tao papunta dito banda. So, saan may napupunta yung mga tao dyan? Pero sabi ko, okay, makawala lang din. So, I really did know, when pagpunta mo doon, ang dilim. Sabi ko, bakit hindi nagpa-generator dito? Ang dilim-dilim. Nandun yung mga taga-okay, ang dilim-dilim. Sabi ko, may ulam na ba tayo? Yan yung first na tanong ko. Bumili na tayo ng ulam. Medyo gutom na yung mga tao. Magsiserve na. Ganyan. So, para malalang din sila. Sabi ko, anong nangyari? Sabi ni Ed, magpapatel kami ngayon. Okay lang, makasya yung patel. Nagmuri pa talaga ako sa kainin. So, ganyan yung buhay namin everyday dito sa school. When everybody has gone home, iniisip ko pa rin kung anong kakainin ng mga tao, anong gagawin. And I stay late at night working in that office kasi pag daytime, wala talaga akong natatapos because sa dami ng mga kailangan na ayusin. So, it's not that I am regretting I am very happy because this position has tested me in terms of my patience, my resilience. So, it brings me back to the day that I was appointed. What was my final message at USTP kasi yun? I said, I will bring matino, mahusay, and maasahan to AMSC. Kasi yan po yung tagline namin sa DLG. Matino, mahusay, maasahan. So sabi ko, yan lang sinabi ko. Kasi they were doubting me. Kasi nga, I'm not from the academy. No, so sabi ko, I'll just bring matino, mahusay, and maasahan to AMSC. So, for the past 3 years, yun lang ang nilagay ko sa isipan ko. I bring matino. Ano bang English yung matino? So, when you say matino, mabuting kang tao, righteous, you have integrity. Integrity, you still do the right things even if no one was looking. You are honest. You are accountable. You accept your mistakes pag nagkakamali ka. And then, yun, mahusay. I am very happy that we were able to hire employees na mahuhusay. Not that yung mga dati hindi mahuhusay, but mas ginawa natin sila mas mahusay. So, we have already accomplished that. And then, maasahan. So, lahat naman siguro ng empleyado ngayon maasahan. Everybody is working. If you go to the offices, nandun talaga yung mga empleyado. So, I think I have already fulfilled my mission of bringing matino, mahusay, and maasahan to AMSC for the past 3 years. And going into this 4th year of service, itutuloy pa rin natin yung matino, mahusay, maasahan. So I really do not know, for those people who are asking if I'm going to continue, if I'm going to extend, hindi ko po masasagot yun because my life does not end here. So, I have so many plans to achieve my personal goal. I've been sharing this all the time. I wanted to open my very own therapy center for children with special needs. And then I want to have my own psychological clinic, inshallah. So, while I'm doing all of this, nag-aaral po ako every weekend. I'm taking my master's in psychology. Next month, I'll be in 2nd year. I'll be doing my thesis also this year. Magta-take pa ako ng board exam. I'm planning to take my doctorate in clinical psychology also. So, marami po akong plano sa buhay. So, my life does not end here. Sabi nga ni Anne, marami pwedeng gawin. But, it's only time can tell. But, the services that I'm rendering here, wala akong pinagsisihan. And I would like to thank everybody for helping our administration. So yung kanta nila, Doc Rush, na hero, it's not just for me, but it's for everybody. We are all heroes of AMSC because if not for you, for all of us, siguro wala na tayo dito ngayon. But because everybody did his or her part in order to sustain what we have, to continue all the compliances of CHED. Alam nyo, kahit na suntok sa buwan before, si Ma'am City, alam niya to, doon pa man, parang hindi na makukuha yung COPC, but Allah is so good that He was able to, He supported us, He gave us guidance na to take the right path pa rin and na-comply natin lahat ng pangangailangan. So, I think yun, I would like to thank my family, of course, Chief. It is our 20th wedding anniversary this year. So, 20 years to So, parang kahapon lang. And then bakit nasira yung itsura mo? Ito talaga. I would like to thank my son, Ben. Oh, naka-uniform pa siya. Diretso na dito. And my daughter who missed her tutor earlier just to be here. Kung meron man akong pinagsisihan sa pagiging president, yung mga anak ko lang. Because nawalan ako ng oras sa kanila. Especially itong maliit because si Ben kasi, we gave him all our time. Araw-araw namin hatid sundo yan sa school. But itong isa, nahatid lang namin pag nandun kami sa Lincoln. Like this morning, hinatid namin before we came here. So, yun lang siguro ang pinagsisihan ko sa trabaho ko. That I missed a lot of time with my children. Pero thank you naman sa mga video call kasi araw-araw naman kami nag-uusap. And of course, to everybody, maraming salamat sa mga nagbigay ng message. To the OP people, maraming salamat. To the different units, to the team doctors, team library, maraming salamat sa inyo. So wherever life will lead me next year, always know that I love you all. And lahat ng pinakita ko po sa inyo, totoo po yun. Wala po. Pag nagagalit ako, galit na talaga ako niyan because hindi ako usually nagagalit. But madali naman ako ma-okay. So for a while siguro, pero I'm just human, right? Nagagalit lang naman ako if there are things that I really wanted to get it done pero hindi nagawa. Yun doon lang talaga ako nagagalit. No, so, but all the rest, wala naman. I'm very patient with failures. Hindi naman ako nagagalit pag nag-fail yung mga tao because they did not do good enough. I find it a lesson for everyone yun, learning opportunity. No, so, medyo mahaba because this might be my last birthday with you. So, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat for accepting me. I've been telling this, although I'm not from this area, but I have served this area for more than 15 years already. Itong area ng Shakbak, I've been here for a long time. It is great knowing all of you. I learned a lot from all of you. So, kahit nawala yung trabaho ko dati because I was forced to resign, nagpapasalamat ako kasi napalitan ng mas magandang experience and getting to know the family, tumira kami dito sa Dinsan Ramay. Yun yung mga importante sa akin and I got to know the family of Chief. Sabi ko nga, wala akong pamilya dito. Wala kaming pamilya ni En. Ang pamilya ko lang yung pamilya ni Chief. So, kung wala sila, wala talaga. Kami lang nila En, tsaka yung mga kapatid ko. So, I am thankful for Chief talaga for bringing me to his family. And sa lahat ng mga pamilya ni Chief, nagpapasalamat po ako. To the AMSC family, maraming salamat. Walang hanggang pasasalamat po. From the bottom of my heart, totoo po lahat. Kung ano mo nakita niyo sa akin, lahat po yung totoo. So, maraming salamat for the kind words, for your appreciation, and inshallah, mas gagalangan pa po natin. And when I'm no longer with you, I hope that we'll continue lahat ng mga iniwan ko sa inyo na natutunan ko din na I shared with you. Continue doing all those things. And I'm looking forward that someday, Dion Memorial State College will be at its highest, at its most glorious state. And I love to see you all again. That time, lahat kayo umasenso na, lahat kayo nag-improve, lahat kayo na-promote na. So, let us all hope and pray that more blessings will come. No, again, sabi nga ni Ann, if you give goodness, it will come back to you many folds. So, totoo yan, no? Kifaran. So, yun lang po ang ano natin. If we do good, it will also come back to you many times. So, again, maraming salamat. Special mention to the overtime heads sa paharalan nila kanina. Maraming salamat. I am very happy, especially sa overtime heads, no? Iba kasi sila yung sumasama sa amin sa bahay, nagbabantay sa akin 24/7. So maraming salamat po sa inyo. So, thank you for spending time. It's already 8:30. So again, thank you again, and let us all continue being heroes of the United States. Maraming salamat.